Welcome to Brian Ward Outdoors. It's Good Friday 2026 and I'm at the Barton Turf Activity Centre on the Norfolk Broads. I'm leading here for the OCA this weekend at their Easter on the Broads. We don't know what trips we're going to do yet, we'll decide that later at the pub, but I thought I'd share them with you and I'll check back in once I know what we're doing. Good morning. It's very early on the Saturday morning. As you can see, we've got a beautiful sunrise in the background. We had a meeting at the pub last night, and today I'm going to be doing a trip from Barton Stave down to Howe Hill. The wind is due to be picking up later this afternoon, so the aim is to be off the water by 2 o'clock. For the Howe Hill trip, we took the channel along the north side of the triangular island known as the Heater. We headed south on the River Ant and then down the east side of Barton Broad, back onto the River Ant again and down to Howe Hill, where we stopped for a break. After our short break, we continued back up the River Ant to Barton Broad. The wind wasn't as bad as expected, so we took a detour around Turkey Broad and to Lime Kiln Channel. We stopped at Grove Farm Stave for a break, and after our break it continued back to Barton Stave.
Morning. It's 6:30 on Sunday morning. The hill trip went really well yesterday. The wind was nowhere near as bad as predicted. It did pick up in the afternoon after we got off the water, and it's still definitely picked up out there right now. The plan for today was that I'd run a trip from Wroxham to Coltis Hall along the River Bure. So we drive out to Wroxham Broad, and park at the car park there and paddle out from there. It's supposed to be solid force 4 all day, gusting into 5 and at times gusting into 6. I'm sure we'll have a briefing about the briefing once everybody's up, and see what happens. Okay, as you can see, I'm in the car. We are paddling off to Wroxham. Our trip from Wroxham Broad to Coltis Hall ended up finishing at Bewley Stave. We left Wroxham Broad via the more southerly entrance and then paddled north and then northwest along the Bure through Wroxham to the railway bridge. This is an alternative start point for this trip. We then took a detour through Bridge Broad and then back onto the Bure until we got to Bewley Stave. On our return trip, we didn't paddle through Bridge Broad, we stayed on the Bure. Once we got back to Wroxham Broad, we entered via the more northerly entrance and paddled past the sailing club back to the car park.
That's the Wroxham trip finished. We didn't actually go to Colters Hall in the end. The group decided they wanted to turn around at Bewley Stave, where we had a fantastic trip, complete with dramatic hail at the end. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Good morning. It's about 6:30 in the morning on Easter Monday. It was a cold night last night, but it's absolutely beautiful this morning. We ran a short trip today. I'm taking the group up to Dillon from Barton Turf, and we're hoping to be off the water probably by around lunchtime. We'll see how that goes. If we're off as late as 2, that's still fine, and I'll let you know how that gets on. For this trip we headed east along the top of the Heater and then north up the River Ant until we got to Dilham Stave. We could have taken a trip on the North Walsham and Dilham Canal, but we'll save that for another time. We were lucky enough to see otters on this trip, but unfortunately I didn't get them on camera. That concludes my weekend with the OCA leading at Easter on the Broads.